this is Natasha. I am a crochet tutor and designer at My Creative Butterfly. I design crochet patterns from beginner till advanced level crocheters. I teach crochet through my courses, classes, and patterns not just as a hobby but also as a tool that will help you become more mindful in your day-to-day life. Welcome to part 2 of Halloween crochet flower bouquet. In the previous part, we learned how to crochet the main body of the flower. If somehow you missed this part, then you can find the link to this in the description. Check it out, crochet the flower, and then come back to this tutorial to see how to create the center and how to assemble the entire flower. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe. So we are going to start with making this center of the flowers. For this I am using a black yarn. The thickness of the yarn won't matter. You can use any thickness from size 1 to size 3 yarn. So to make the center, I am going to wrap the yarn 12 times around my 2 fingers like this. I have kept my fingers slightly open because I want the loops to be a little bigger so that I can easily cut them and make a good pom-pom shape from these. So once done with 12 wraps, I'm just going to cut it off. Now take the 0.3 mm wire that you had, pass it through like this and hold it at the center of the loops. Now I'm going to tightly twist it to secure all the yarn loops. Tightly twist it. Now keep twisting the wire till the end. Now I'm just going to cut the end off. Now we'll cut open these loops on both the sides. If you are enjoying this tutorial, be sure to check out my Etsy shop where I have crochet patterns from beginner till advanced levels. All the patterns include clear step-by-step pictures which make them extremely easy to follow. Now you can see that it is slightly uneven, so we will need to shape it properly. For shaping, I prefer to use a bigger scissor, the one with longer blade, because it makes it easier for you to shape it. You can use the same scissor as well, it is up to you. Now with the bigger scissor, I'm just going to give it a nice and round shape. So here the center is nice and even. Also, don't forget to connect with me on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. I go on all these platforms by the name My Creative Butterfly. I would love to get to know you and see what you are making. If you are fond of crocheting flowers, I have done a number of different flower tutorials in the past. I have done flowers like roses, lavender, baby's breath, bluebell, hydrangea and such. You can mix and match, you can create different flowers, mix and match them and create your own customized bouquet. These flowers would be perfect for making a bridal or wedding bouquet. Also, these flowers are easy to make, so you can make last minute gifts for housewarming. You can also make these to give them as a bouquet on any special occasion like birthdays or anniversaries. So if you are fond of crocheting flowers, don't forget to check out the playlist for crocheting long stem flowers. Also, if you like decorating your home on different events with handmade or DIY stuff, I have done a number of different fall and Halloween tutorials as well in the past. I have done a few flowers for fall and Halloween decoration. I have done tutorials like pumpkin plushie, pumpkin posters and a number of such different patterns. You can find all these also under a playlist and you will find the link to that playlist as well in the description. So do check that out as well if you are fond of crocheting home decor for decorating your home. These are easy to follow tutorials and they are perfect for flaunting your crocheting skills. So now we are ready with the center of the flower. So now just insert this wire through the center of the flower like this. If you want, you can glue it in place, but I am just going to wrap it with the floral tape. That also makes it nice and secure. Now take the thick wire that we had for making the stem of the flower, hold it just below the flower, and I'm just going to wrap it with the floral tape to secure it. Keep wrapping till the end of the wire. That's it. Now just snip off the floral tape, shape the flower a little again, and your flower is ready for decoration. You can make as many flowers as you want. If you are making a bouquet, you can make flowers from 6 to 12 or any other number. If you want to customize these, you can easily change the colors and you can make the flowers to go with whatever theme you are doing. It is a easy to follow pattern, and again a reminder, if you're fond of crocheting flowers or if you want to crochet Halloween and fall crochet decor for your home, you can find a link to both these playlists in the description. Do check it out. So this is all from my side today. If you liked what you learned, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button so that you do not miss out on any of the new tutorials that I put out. This is all from my side. Thank you so much for watching and happy crochet. Bye bye.